Children, you know the excretion in animal. In human beings, you studied that kidney plays an important in the filtration of blood, where the blood is filtered through the kidney, that is the nephron, and its network, that is the glomerulus. You studied it in detail. So, what will happen if the efficiency of the kidney is affected or kidney is damaged due to certain injury, infection, or by disease, any of the disease? If some organs get damaged, the kidney will not function properly. At that time, there are chances that excess of toxic substances gets collected in the body, and if excess of toxic substances, poisonous substances gets collected in the body because of the negligence in the filtration, what will happen? It can cause the death of a person also. Okay. So filtration of blood for removing the waste substance is a very necessary process. But if kidney fails, at that time nitrogenous waste, that is the urea, separation will become difficult. So, but it is a necessary process. So, it is done by the artificial machine, a man-made machine, which is called as that process of removing the waste material in the artificial way by using the machine. It is called as a dialysis. This process is called as a dialysis, and that instrument is called as a dialyzer. Okay. About 500 ml of blood is sent at one time through the machine. This machine, dialyzing machine, has a capacity to carry 500 ml of blood at a time. Purified blood is again reinfused into the body of a patient. See here, observe this process of dialysis, how it happens. See here, generally these arteries and veins which are present in our arm, they are opened. Okay. This artery, you know that artery carries the pure blood while veins carry the impure blood. So there is a flow of blood inside our body, pure blood also, and then after the work, that blood becomes impure, which is carried by the vein. This process of circulation you had studied in, I think, in 7th standard. Okay. So I hope you are clear about arteries and veins. Now the pure blood from the artery, okay, see here the tube is attached therein to our artery, and then this blood is passed through the blood pump, then it is going in the arterial pressure monitor. Observe there here. When it is passed through that arterial pressure monitor, it is moving through it, which contains the fresh dialysate. What it contains? Fresh dialysate, which helps for the process of filtration. Okay. Here the blood moves, 500 ml of blood moves therein by using the fresh dialysis, and then this machine is called as a dialysis machine, and then it gets filtered, and then that filtered blood is passed on to the vein. Okay. You know that through the vein blood moves inside our body. Okay. In this way the dialysis process occurs. Then after the dialysis, as fresh dialysate is used, it gets impure, and that impure dialysate, it is again collected in a bottle called as a used dialysate. Okay. So in this way the process of dialysis is carried out in a person whose kidneys are damaged and not working. It is very necessary to carry out the dialysis. The people whose one kidney is damaged can work Means one kidney can complete the work of filtration in the body, but if both the kidneys are damaged at that time, dialysis is must. It is carried out according to the severity of the patient. The dialysis is carried out daily or once in a week or once in a month also. How that kidneys are working, accordingly the neurologist, they tell the patient. Okay, this is all about the dialysis, an important process that occurs in the living organism if the excretory system, especially the kidney, is not working properly. Okay children, thank you.